Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what is OHLC, that is open, high, low and close. So O stands for open, H is for the high, L is for the low, C is for the close. So what is this OHLC for the particular candle? So here this is the green candle. So how is this candle formed? So here we can see that this wick on the upper side, this is called the high of the particular day. That is a price, that is a high price for that particular stock. And close, the candle closed here. So this is the closing price of the stock. Okay. And the price made a low. Here we can see that there is a wick. So but the price didn't open there. That is a low of the particular stock. Here this is the open price. Here we can see this is the green candle's body is here. So this is the open price. So these are the four aspects of the candle, that is open, high, low and close of the particular instrument or for the particular stock. This open, high, low and close, we can look into the any time frame. Say for example, we can look for the particular instrument from 1 minute time frame to weekly or even monthly time frames. Okay, it depends on how or what type of trader we are. So what is called opening price? The open is the price which the instrument starts the day, that is started the day. For example, if you are trading Nifty, the open price will be the where the price starts the day, that is the price opening at 9:15 a.m. in the morning. That is called the opening price. The price is determined by the demand and supply of the instrument at the start of the day. So the open, high, low and close, everything is determined by the supply and demand, that is the support and resistance level of the particular stock or the instruments. So what does the high, low or the close reference? That refers to the high, low or close of the corresponding instrument at the specific time frame. What is called high level of the price? High is the highest level of the instrument that has reached. So this is the green candle. So what is the highest price for this particular green candle? So this wick will be the highest level. That is the price that has reached the particular high price for that particular day or for that particular time frame which we are looking into. Okay. So for example, if Nifty opened the day at 18,700, okay, and then started moving high at 18,900. So what will be the high of that particular day? That will be the 18,900. What is called low? That is called lowest price. The low is the lowest price for that particular day or for that particular time frame which we are looking into. Close is the final price where the instrument trades at. That is the closing price for that particular candle or for that particular day. Or if you are looking into daily time frame, it will be the daily chart. Okay. And if you are the closing price, if you are looking into 5 minutes time frame, that candle's close price, that is finally trades it. Now we can understand the open, high, low and close for the red and the green candle, that is for the bullish and for the bearish candle. So this we can apply to the all time frames like weekly, daily, hourly, weekly or even 5 minutes or even 1 minute time frame also. Okay. Here we can see this is a green candle. So here the price opened, okay, for the green candle. The price opened here at the low, that is for 20 rupees, and price went to low till 10 rupees and price took a high of 50 rupees and price closed at 40 rupees. So this is how the green candle is formed. So this is the open price. So what will be the high? High is the wick, okay, but price didn't sustain there and price closed bit low, that is at price went a high of 50 and price closed at 40 rupees. So this is how the green candle is formed. Now we can look into the bearish candle. So how the bearish candle is formed, how the price is becoming red. Price opened here, that is at top, that is at 50 rupees. Price opened at 50 rupees and went high of 60 rupees. And price went till low price of like 20 rupees and price closed here, that is at 30 rupees. Okay. So this is how the red candle is formed because price opened high and closed low. That is how the red candle is formed. Till now we have seen what is open, high, low and close price. Okay. So now we have to understand what is the importance of OHLC. Why we have to learn all these things? Because they will act as the major support and resistance level for the particular stock or for that particular instrument which we are trading. Okay, so based on the time frame, if you are trading intraday, we can draw the support and resistance based on the open, high, low and close price. That I will explain clearly in the charts. Till now, we have seen what is OHLC. Now we will see the same in the charts. So this is the Nifty daily time frame chart. So what we'll do is we will go to the horizontal line and we'll mark the high and low of the previous day. That is for the 27th July. So I have marked the previous day high. Okay. And we are going to mark the previous day low also. So I have marked the previous day low. So I will write that previous day high is called PDH. That is previous day high. Okay. And previous day low also we will mark it. That is PDL. So what we'll do now is we will go to the 5 minutes time frame. So this is daily. I'm going to change this into 5 minutes. Okay. So the next day, that is on the 28th July, we can see that this is the previous day high and this is the previous day low. So the next day, that is on 28th July, market opened and price took support exactly at the previous day low. So what we can understand from here is previous day high and previous day low will act as the support and resistance. So what is the immediate support for the next day trading? That is the previous day low will act as the support. So here price took support and from there we can see that the price bounced from here. Again we can see that the second time the price took support here. Okay, and what happened after the price is we can see that the red candle that is breaking the previous day low, then we can see the fall from here. Okay, so this previous day high and low is acting as the support and resistance. So those who are doing intraday or swing trading can use this previous day high and low for your trading as support and resistance. Now we have marked the previous day high and low. Now what we'll do is we'll go to the weekly. So 1 week. Okay, so we have gone to the weekly chart. Okay, so this is the previous week, that is 17th July. Okay, so we are going to mark the high and low of the previous week. So go to the horizontal line. So this I will mark in red. This is the previous week low. Okay, and this is the previous week high. This week is the previous week high. So then again go to the 5 minutes chart. So this red line is the previous week high. This is the previous week low. So when the price breaks the previous day low, here that is a price is breaking the 27th July low, we can see that the price is taking support at the previous week low. So what is this? This is called the previous week low. So from there again we can see that there is a bounce in the price and after that price moved up. Okay, so this previous day, previous week, everything will act as the support and resistance in the live market. That is for the next day or for the next week trading. So if you are trading intraday or if you are trading swing trading, you can use all these previous week and previous day, high, low, everything as the support and resistance levels. Now, the next question is, should we need to draw this daily? Not required. There are few customized indicators in the TradingView. With the help of them, we can plot this very easily. Now, we will remove the drawings. Okay, remove drawings. Go to the indicators and type previous OHLC. Okay, OHLC by nephew Sam. Click on that. Go to the settings of this. Okay, here under inputs, we can see this is daily, weekly and monthly. So, we want to check this daily. And in the view section, we can see there is a drop down. Here it is written as off HLOC. What is this off means? We don't want to view that. HL is high and low. OC is open and close. OHLC is open, high, low and close. Okay. So we want to view only the high and low. Why high and low? Because high and low will act as the support and resistance. Okay, so we have checked this. Next is the weekly. So we want to see the weekly view also. It is high and low. Next is the monthly. So we are checking this monthly. HL. So HL also we are checking for daily, weekly and for the monthly charts. Next, there is an option called custom. So if you want to check that, you can check according to the trading style. Okay. Here the open color is there, close color is there. The high color we are going to mark it as red. Okay. This is green. Now click on OK. Now we can see that the PDH is previous day high, PWH is previous week high, PDL is previous day low and PWL is previous week low. Okay. So here we can see that for the 27th July, this is the previous day low for the 27th July. So price broken this low, and after that here we can see that the price took support exactly at the previous week low. So that the previous week low and previous week high, this is the weekly time frame high and low, right? So that will act as a major support and resistance. So from here we can look, we can see that there is a bounce in the price. So here we can see that the previous day, that is for 27th July, this is the previous day low. So once the price has broken the previous day low, we can see that where the price took support exactly at the previous week low. So this previous week low and previous week high will act as a major support and resistance. So when we are taking the short trade here, we can book our profit exactly at the previous week low, because this will act as the major support for the Nifty. Okay, and after that we can enter into the long trade also, because this is the support level. Okay, from here we can see that the price moved up. We can see what happened on 27th July. How is the previous day high and low is acting as a support and resistance. We can see that the price opened exactly at the previous day high, that is for the 26th July high, and after that price not able to sustain above this level, and after that we got the red candle, that is the 955 candle has broken the previous day high, because that is a major resistance level. So this level has broken on Nifty at 955, and after that we can see that there is a fall in the price. Okay. And price took support at the previous day low. So this is the previous day low. You can see here previous day low. So if you are taking any short trade here, you can book your profits exactly at the previous day low. So here I am not telling how to take the trade. I am telling what is the importance of the previous day high, low, or previous week high and low. How that levels are acting as the support and the resistance level. Okay, and after that we can see that once the price is breaking again the previous day low, we can see that there is a major fall in the price. Okay, you can see here this red candle has broken the previous day low, that is for the 26th July, and we can see that there is a fall in the price again. So here this is the previous day low. We can see that this is the consolidation place, because so here this is the previous day low. We can see that the price is taking support, means price is consolidating here for the long time. That is why this previous day high and low is the major support and resistance for the next day trading. Okay, so along with this, what you have to use is you have to use your technical knowledge in order to trade, that is in order to enter into the long and the short trade accordingly. We can see one example from the Bank Nifty. Okay. So here we can see the example of 27th July. Okay, so Bank Nifty has opened gap up. Okay, price has opened gap up, and after that we can see that the price is in the consolidation phase. Okay, and we can see that there is a previous week high also at this level. All right, and after that the price has broken, that is the high of the previous day, that is a 26th day high is taken away, that is broken, and after that we can see that there is a fall in the price. And price took support exactly at the previous day low. Okay, so this is the previous day low, and once the price has broken the previous day low, we can see that there is again fall in the price. Okay, the next day, that is 28th July also, price opened at the previous day low, and after that this red candle has broken the previous day low, and after that we can see that there is a fall in the price. Okay, here. Okay, so the previous day high and low is acting as a major support and resistance level for the next day trading or for the swing trading also. We can see one example from the stocks, that is the ICICI Bank we can see. Here we can see for the 28th July, this red candle has broken the previous day low. Means the price is weak because this particular stock is looking weak because it has broken the previous day low. And after that we can see that there is a fall in the price. Okay. And again we can see that from here again the price took support. This is the pin bar candle, and here we can see that the price is consolidating for some time. We can see here doji candle also, means it is an indecision candle, and we got the pin bar candle, means no buyers are strong here at this particular level. And after that price again bounce here and took support, means no this is a major resistance level. So this is acting as the resistance, and after that price broke this level. Again price took support here, and again price touched the previous day low, that is acting as resistance again. So immediately we got the red candle below this. Okay, so again price is in the consolidation phase here. Okay, after that we got the green candle above this previous day low, and here we can see that there is a brown bounce in the price. This is my Telegram channel, currently having 7,000 plus subscribers. There are so many fake channels under my name and my logo. Don't get trapped. Okay. So every video, at the end of my every video, I'm sharing the same about my Telegram channel. Still people are getting trapped. So please be aware of that. Here I will be sharing the Nifty and the Bank Nifty levels, that is a support and resistance level every day evening for next day. So today is July 25. So this I have shared the 26th, that is July 26th evening. Okay, so here I have shared the Nifty levels. Key level I have shared today morning, that is Nifty 19730 is the key level. Okay, and also Fin Nifty also I have shared that Fin Nifty can touch 20,528 and the target got achieved. So this is a free channel. So those who are trading the index Nifty or Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, they can join my Telegram channel. Okay, then I told trail Fin Nifty to 2505, that got achieved. So okay. So here this is the Telegram channel. So those who are trading Nifty and Bank Nifty can make use of my Telegram channel. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.